You playing in your jumper? Yeah. Hi, Kaden. Hi. Are you playing? Yeah, you're playing in your jumper like a big boy. Look. Whee! A little bit longer and your feet will be able to touch the ground. Hi, Kaden. What are you doing? Yes, you're playing, huh? Are you playing? What are you doing?